welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and Wellington and Alex. They're crazy. Today I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you. It's not a big one, but I'm going to be putting out a DIY with these things. And so I wanted to show you what I picked up. So if you would like to make one as well, you'll know the materials that I got. But first we have some tea in my Queen Elizabeth mug that I got about 5 or 6 years ago when Sarah, my niece, and I were in London. And who doesn't need to bring a mug of the Queen home? And I'm drinking Earl Grey tea that I got last summer in Scotland. I mean, come on, this is like the UK, Great Britain? Yeah, something. It's super hot. But it's delicious. Okay, so I went to the Dollar Tree, like you do, because I came up with some ideas in my head for Easter that I'm going to try to farmhouse rustic up for me. Oh, sorry, my necklace is choking me. But first, I picked up some Easter treats. They have these little tiny bags of sweet tart chicks, ducks, and bunnies, and a co-worker friend of mine loves these, so I thought I would grab those for her. For my niece and nephew, Sarah and Addie, I got them some M&Ms for their Easter candy. I just thought this was a good, cute Easter container. And like I always say with the candy, it may not be the best value, but the packaging is great and it's perfect for Easter baskets when I don't want to get them a ton. And then for my sister-in-law, I got Junior Mint eggs. Look at those. I think they're candy-coated Junior Mints. Like, what? I've never seen them. They may have been out before, but this is nothing I've seen. So she loves Junior Mints, so I grabbed those for her. So that just goes in my tub that I have back here of all the Easter candies that I'm picking up for the kids. And I say kids, but they're like 15 and 28. But they're my kids. And I keep them in this tote, and that way I won't overbuy like I sometimes do. Yeah. I need to find some man stuff. Oh, and I have to put these socks that I bought the last time with this tote too. See how that works? Because I haven't put them away yet. Don't judge. Okay, so I ran into the Dollar Tree the other day because I wanted more frames, canvas to make some extra signs, but I didn't find exactly what I needed. Picked up some more Crystal Light. I've said this every time. I buy these all the time, stick them in a container, and then I just have them for summer. And now, like, I drink 1 or 2 huge, like, 32-ounce things of water every day at work, and I throw one of those in there. And then I picked up these 2, which I thought were super fun. I prefer the spiral bound notebook, and I'm not sure what's going to happen with these, but it just says Tropic Like It's Hot. Yeah. And this one, Tropical State of Mind. I mean, are these not perfect for summer? I think so. Dubby. Dub's time. What you doing, baby? What are you doing? Oh, he's looking at me, but he's not going to come and see us. Alex will. Want to see the peoples? Come on. There you go. There's Alex. Yeah, no. He said, if I don't have food, I don't want you. And I already fed them dinner. And then I grabbed some more canvas. What I really want, I need to find is the 8 by 10 stretch. I picked up 2 of these thin ones for the back. I want to make a sign for the outside of the door that says, you know, restroom or something. So, for my bathroom. So I grabbed 2 of those, and then I grabbed a 2-pack of the 5 by 7, and then 2 of the stretch canvas. Just in case I decide to do something else with them, or come up with another idea. But one of the 8 by 10s is definitely, you don't need in there, buddy, is definitely for the bathroom door. Hey, why are you getting in the bag? Oh, you smell chicken. No, sweetie, you can't get in there. I have a Target haul next, and I got some really good deals on chicken, so you're going to want to watch that. Okay, so then my next, can you stop, please? Thank you. My next purchase, and this is for the craft that I'm coming up with. I grabbed a spool of this cotton twine, and I'm debating if I can color it. like dye it, but I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I got cotton twine, a spool of that. I picked this up. People, I'm not sure if you'd be excited about it, but I certainly am, because you know, I have vacations coming up this summer, and I love to take tea with me, but isn't this perfect? It's 15 Lipton black tea bags pre-packaged. So all I really have to do, because I think we might be going camping this summer, and if not, I might be going camping this summer, and I could just throw this in with my food and I don't have to worry about it. And it was $1. So whatever I don't drink, which I will probably make iced tea with this. So I got tea. And I think this is fun and cute. Again, not the greatest deal, but the packaging is perfect for what I need it for. Yes, I could get a bigger package, put it in Ziploc baggies, but this is just a convenience item. And for $1, I'm all about it. The cat is crazy. He's now in a bag. I can't. All right. I picked up some of these white, they're decorative stones, but that's not what I'm using them for. And when you see my watch my Target haul, you'll see, I'm putting them in the bottom of a pot for drainage. I purchased my, not first, but a succulent. And this is Haworthia zebra, and I'm going to separate it because there's actually 2 plants in this little pot. When I was at IKEA, it was $3.99, and I bought some pots to put it in, but the pots, you just put a little bit of gravel at the bottom, and it also keeps the drainage good, but it keeps the dirt from coming out the bottom when you water it. So I'm going to put these at the bottom because they're slightly larger, and then I got some, or they could go on top, but then I got some decorative ones to go on top as well. But that was at the Dollar Tree. I got, for crafting purpose, oh, here, we'll just get this out of the way. I picked up 2 more, and I'm almost done for now. Okay, the rest is, except for the last 2 items, which, oh my gosh. But anyway, crafting purposes, I grabbed these little bunnies. I just got one because I feel like I have one upstairs. I don't paint them. I snip off that on the top. I do paint it. Probably I will paint this white, or like I have a pretty sage green and use it as decor, but it's so cute. So I grabbed one of these bunnies, and then I picked up 3 of these different plastic, I don't even know what they're called. It just says decor. This is like tinsel-y or garland. I'm not going to leave this stuff on here. What I really want is the forms in the back. So I grabbed this shape, the egg. I grabbed this kind of creepy looking bunny, but he won't look creepy when I'm done. So I got the bunny, this bunny. And then I picked up this bunny because I really like the shape of this bunny. And I feel like I could put some flowers or something in here. And again, I will, you know, I'm not 100% sure that I'm taking the white off because it's white. It's basic. And depending if I got maybe some succulents. Do I have succulents down here? I do. I just don't know where they are. Because like you do, I've got junk everywhere. Anyway, some fake succulents or some greenery or something. Or I could wrap some garland around it. I don't know. The blue bow is definitely going. I can tell you that much. Gone. Oh, now he has a creepy neck. He'll get a new bow. Don't worry. He will get something. But, so I'm going to do a DIY video with these 3 and transform them from this, which is perfectly acceptable, but I'm going to transform them into more my decor, which is kind of country farm, rustic stuff. And then the last thing I purchased at the Dollar Tree, come on, focus on me, not the cat. The last thing I purchased, I finally found at my store, and I did show some serious restraint. I just want to let you know this because they had them all. But I picked up these cats that say, talk to the hand. I'm sorry, talk to the paw. And then they have rubber grippers on the bottom. So I think these will be fun, like, again, on vacation and walking around the house. I'm not sure I'd wear them in shoes, but like slipper socks just to wear around the house. So I grabbed the cats because duh. And then I got the little panda because she is adorable and it says totally awesome. So I grabbed a pack of those. They had a pretty floral design. They had one like a dream catcher. They had unicorns, but again, I'm not trying to go crazy. So I just got these 2 pair, which I think will be perfect. You know, out this summer, walking around, your feet get cool in the air conditioning and walking around the house. I have hardwoods in my kitchen and dining room, and then I have ceramic in different places. So I think these will be great for that, or just to wear around whenever. And I got a hair on them, and I think, oh, well, I was going to show you. I didn't buy this today, but I will be using this twine. Now, it comes with 2 of this color and 1 of the green, and I think I have more green. So one of these bunnies, like this one here, may end up with a green belly and then felt ears or something. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to have to mess around and see what I come up with. And then definitely this cotton twine is going to decorate one of them too. And I know one idea I have is with fabric. The black and white buffalo check that I have in my kitchen, one of these is going to get covered in strips of fabric. So that's kind of cool. So I'm going to come up with something this weekend, and I will have a video out next week. And these are the materials that I bought. All right, everybody. Well, I have one more video to do because I got Target over here, and then I'm going to bed because it's tiring. It's tiring tonight. It's late. It's dark out. I had to get that light out. And it's Thursday today when I'm filming. I'm not sure when this will be loaded. Sometime next week because I'm working at my second job like 3 days or 4 days next week or something crazy. So I'm trying to put some videos together to upload next week because I'll be busy. All right, everybody. You have a good night, and I will talk to you later. Bye.